Okay, today I F it up. I thought looping the school intercom with the 7:58 bell for 9 minutes would be hilarious. It was not. At first, it was funny, a little confusion. Then, Principal Thompson's voice started booming, increasingly frantic. "Is this a drill?" he yelled. Then came the assembly. The entire student body, trapped in the gym, stared at me. My stomach dropped faster than the school's reputation. Now I'm facing detention for a month and a stern talking to from my parents. Evaporating sounds pretty good right now.